Deputy, this is the order of business, and you know that you're a long time in this House. Can you do that? No, hold a second, Deputy. You speak through the chair. You're a long time in this House. You know the rules as well as I do, so please adhere to them. If you have a problem, put down a parliamentary question or table a topical issue. Okay? Now, on what point of order is it?
Parliamentary questions were put down in relation to this, and the information in the parliamentary questions related to legislation and other matters, that can only be dealt with in here. And you're dealing with serious cases that have been given to that group. It's a commitment was given to this House.
This is the order. This is the order of business. Would you please? I have to be fair to everybody. Would you please? Would you sit down, please? Will you sit down?
And I'm asking you.
Would you please sit down?
That these cases.
Deputy, I won't ask you a second time. Deputy, I will not ask you a second time.
Will be given justice.
Deputy.
Because they have made.
Deputy, you're a chairman of a committee and would you show respect to the chair? Sit down, please.
And I'm asking you.
Deputy McGuinness. Deputy McGuinness. Would you leave the House, please? Leave the House, please. Leave the House. Please leave the House. Totally ignoring the chair. Leave the House. Leave the House, I said. Would you want me to name you?
Yes, I will leave you to name you if you like.
Leave the House. You're a chairman of a committee and you know the protocol. Sit down or leave the House. Sit down or leave the House. Leave the House, so. Go on.
Go on. Would you not direct the answer the question?
No, I certainly would not. It's totally out of order. Would you leave the House? Do you want me to name you?
No, I would ask you to name you.
Do you want me to name you? Would you please leave the House?
No, ask him to answer the question.
Deputy, would you leave the House? I've already asked you.
No, I will leave the House in respect of your position. But I've asked
leave. Thank you.
To please answer the question.
Thank you. You know yourself how to go about these things.
I do, and I don't.
Not on the order of business. Thank you. Oh. That's very insulting, isn't it?
I don't know. It's partly accurate, though.
Oh. You should be ashamed of yourself. Sorry, Deputy Durkin.